Hey, it's Ali. So today I want to share something a bit different. You know how it feels when you're trying to learn something new and it just doesn't stick? I've been there. But over the last year or so, I've found a way to learn things way faster. And it's mostly thanks to a few AI tools. I'm not gonna overwhelm you with a huge list. Instead, I will just walk you through what I actually use, how I use it, and maybe you find something useful for yourself. Let's get into it. Number one, ChatGPT, my 24/7 study buddy. I really treat ChatGPT like a personal tutor. If I'm trying to understand something, say how YouTube algorithm works or something about building good habits, I just ask it to explain it in simple terms. Then I'll ask follow-ups like, give me a quick example, or pretend I'm a beginner, how would you explain this to me? Sometimes I even tell it to quiz me just to see if I'm getting it. It's honestly one of the best ways to make learning more interactive. Number two on the list is Notion AI. Smarter notes, less stress. You already know I'm a Notion fan, but when you add AI to it, it's a game changer. Instead of writing messy paragraphs, when I'm learning something new, I'll just jot down quick bullet points. Then I use Notion to organize them into something clean, like a quick list or summary. It saves so much time and it actually helps me see what I'm learning. Number three, Audio Pen. Talk it out and turn it into notes. Okay, this is super underrated. When I'm out for a walk or just thinking out loud, I'll open Audio Pen and just talk. Literally, just ramble about what I've learned and what I'm trying to figure out. Then it turns that voice note into clean text. It's weirdly effective and almost like journaling without typing. Number four, Snipped. Save the good stuff from podcasts and videos. Ever hear something smart in a podcast or video and wish you could save it? I use this app called Snipped when I hear something valuable. I just tap and boom, it saves the clip and the transcript. Later, I'll go back and reread those highlights like flashcards. It's kind of like building my own personal knowledge bank. How it all comes together. So this is basically my system. ChatGPT helps me understand things. Notion helps me organize those things. AudioPen helps me reflect on them. And Snipped helps me remember them. Simple, right? But it works. And it's made learning fun again, not like a chore. Anyways, that's just how I use AI tools to actually learn faster. And there are so many other ways and tricks, but I don't want to overwhelm you like I said. This isn't some productivity hack or clickbait trick. It's just what I do as someone who's constantly trying to grow, learn, and keep up with all the stuff I care about. So guys, let me know if you're using any of those tools or if you've got other tools that I should try. And yeah, if this helped you out, hit the like button and maybe subscribe if you are into this kind of stuff. And I'll catch you in the next one.